Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. In 2019 GMC Terrain. We're doing a brake vacuum pump. These 2.4s are pretty common for this issue to happen, and well, they're aluminum. I'm not sure exactly what causes them to fail. The rotor on this one is just gone. Here's pieces of it. Destroyed the housing to which it sits in. I had to go do some fishing and get as much out. There's one more piece that is down underneath the car where I got it out because it's not. I was able to use a screwdriver tip end and stuff like that to get it out, and then the other one I had to use a pick to get it out because it's aluminum and doesn't get stuck on by the magnet. But most of the pieces right up here did. But this is what failed. This thing basically just locked up. So here's how we do. And this is a turbo version, so it may be a little different if you don't have a turbo. But for the turbo version, I undid my upper hose right here for the intake. There's a little clip right here, which you can use a screwdriver. Just pop it like yay, and then wiggle it off. Once it's loose, over here on the side, there is a 10. Can't quite see it between these two fuel line hoses, but there's a 10 bolt right there. This will give enough clearance that the hose will come up out of the way so that you have plenty of straight access to the pump itself. For the pump, this cover right here, you see here, T30, and then take the cap off, and then this cover comes up out of the way. A lot more access to get to the connector. This connector, you see the green tab right there. You press in that green tab with a screwdriver or whatever you can use to get to it, and then this whole hose assembly just lifts up. Just disconnects like right from there. That's all it is, just a quick disconnect. That'll get the hose up and out of the way. Next, there are 3 13mm bolts. If you're looking at it like this, one here, one there, and one here. This one over here, a hidden one. The new pump comes with the bolt there, and it's got a little plastic insert, so that way it's easy enough for you to get the thing on. Now, the only thing you do have to pay attention to is the orientation of the guide vane, which this doesn't have it because this one's destroyed. This is what happens to these little puppies. These things just disintegrate. Pieces go everywhere. Got to clean as much out as possible. I got some more underneath the car I need to get. It does come with a new gasket. It is a metal gasket, so you have to peel off the old one, which usually is stuck to the block. But this guide vane here, you will have to rotate, stick your finger inside where the camshaft is at, and feel the rotation of the orientation of it, and then move the one on the new one in the same direction, so that way when you put it in, you can rotate it like this and pop it on. And once it is, tighten it to 3 13s. Clean off the block as well, but tighten the 13s on there. Clean up any oil that you spilled, because there will be some oil down there. Tighten it up, put on your vacuum line, put on your tube, fire it up, see what you got. I've already gotten this one done. Works just perfect. I'm gonna go in and go clear the codes. In fact, let me show you what code it is that we are referring to. It's this code right here, P25A6. The rest of these are null codes, things that have happened in the past. So once I get this cleared, all these codes will be gone. These are from previous repairs done like 15,000 miles ago, but the computer itself kept them in there. But that is what we are doing. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.